Yo, yo, yo. All right. This is going to be your, oh no, this is the terrible marker. Okay, this is going to be math, 13, 14, 13, 14, test 1 homework, test 1 homework sets. Okay, we're going to start off with 1.2, 1.2, and this is going to be number 6. Okay, which is 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 13. All right, awesome, cool. We're solving this. Solve it. That's all it means. Isolate that x, find out what x makes this guy true. So all we're doing is just jumping across the equal sign, changing signs, and isolating x. So I am going to take this 5 over here to the 13, which what you have to do to one side, you have to do to the other side, right here. This will come down to 0. So you have 3x plus 0 because it went away. You have this 2x, and then 13 minus 5 should be 8. Sorry. Yeah, wait, right? Yeah, 8. 8, oh my goodness. I still count my hands and fingers like 5, 6, or 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? I still do that. I have a calculator I crouch on. Okay, so nice. Now we move the 2 over to isolate, because we're just combining like terms. So then we take the 2 in this direction. What you do to one side, you have to do to both sides. That's the whole point of keeping things equal, right? So then we, 3, 2, 1, this just becomes x. And I'm not going to bring down that 0. That just becomes x. That goes to 0, right? So that's 8. So our answer is x equals 8. Where's my? There we go. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Cool. So easy one, right? Not a big deal. I'll just leave it up there for now. Okay, and then let's pick a harder one. Let's go down to like let's just say 30. We'll say number 30. You've got 3x over 5 minus, okay, 3x over x minus 3, x minus 3 over 2 equals x plus 2 over 3. Let's see if I did the right one. Yeah. Nice. Okay. And okay, so same exact thing. We're going to find the value of x. Easiest thing. There's a couple ways you can go about it. You can actually eliminate these fractions and get it more into this, like, you know, get it on the ground floor, as it were. So one thing that you could do is you could just find the lowest common denominator that these all match. And even if you don't want to do that, like one of the ways you can do is just multiply all those together, and like and you can get everything out of the bottom. So that what I mean, and that's probably I personally, I don't know, like you can let's do it that way. I think you should get more comfortable with fractions personally. But what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 times 2 times 3, and we're going to put those all together as one thing. So 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30. So we're gonna multiply everything by 30, this whole thing across the equator, the equal sign and everything. So what that means is that I'm taking 3x over 5 minus x minus 3 over 2, right? This equals x plus 2 over 3. So what I'm saying now is like treat it like you're doing a distribution. Well, I didn't need to write that. Treat it like you're doing a distribution. So you're going to distribute that 30 everywhere, right there, right? So we're going over. So what that means is that it's going to cancel these out, right? Because 30 over 5, if you divide that, you get 6, right? So this first one here is going to be 6 times 3x, right? Because if I have a 30 sitting here on top, multiplied by 30, that 5 and that 30 cancels, giving me that 6. Then we have minus, then we have that 30 over here, so 30 divided by 2 gives you 15. So you have 15x minus 3, right, equals, and then if you put that 30 right there, that cancels completely out and you get a 10. So you get 10 onto x plus 2. I don't know if you, once again, I'm not getting feedback from people, so if this step confuses you, you can email me. You can come into room 116A. You can do that. You'll have that information. Okay, so now that we're here, it looks a little bit better, and now we can kind of like distribute this and clean it up, and then it looks just like this one, and you solve it just like that. So 6 times 3 is 18, so you'll have an 18x here, minus, distribute that 15 into both of those, so you have a 15x, and then you'll have this negative 15 going into that negative 3, making that a positive. If you multiply this thing by 3, you'd have 3 in the 5, make a 15 up there, 3, 4, you have 45, positive 45, and then you have this equaling 10x, and then you distribute over here plus 20, like that. Now it's just normal. Now it's just combining like terms. So if I was to put these two terms together right here, there's 18 minus 15 is 3. So you have a 3x plus 45 equals 10x plus 20, right? And then I'm just getting like terms together. I'm moving this 3x over to both sides, like that, right? This guy zeroes out, leaving me with that 45. 10 minus 3, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7x. And then we have our plus 20. And then I'm going to subtract my 20 over here. Just 20. 20. This one subtracted, 5 comes down, 4, 3, 2, 25. And then we have our 7x. And then we divide both sides by this 7 to get that x by itself. Giving us x equals 25 over 7 for like an exact answer. And then we're going to double check ourselves, make sure that we're good. Down here, what number is this? 30, and voila, we have crushed it. All right, so that's just a quick video on your section 1.2. Thank you.